So hello everyone and welcome back. Well, not back. What time it is? It is 5:02. Well, that's pretty late. And I'm playing warships. I'm a pro at this game. I have my best ship here. The Carl Galster. Yeah, this is my best ship. It's really good. I love it. It looks good. Just kidding, guys. I'm not gonna get addicted to that. Well, guess what I have? No, wait. Oh no, it's that ship. The Enterprise. I bought it today. Then I opened 10 basic containers, and boy, I got gold. So which just led to me just continuously upgrading this. My HP is very high. This is almost maxed out. I already bought the best planes for this, and this is actually almost maxed out as well. So just don't take me as a noob. And this is my best battleship / cruiser that I have. Almost maxed out HP, maxed out interceptors, the best interceptors that are about halfway, maxed out main battery, and so almost maxed out second main battery, and a really good second battery. So it's really good secondary battery, really good second main battery, the best main battery. My glitchy tablet bought this for me, but I'm not too bad about that. Not too sad about that. So it's good. The health is crap, but the firepower is amazing. I also have the USS Mayhan. I think that's how you call it. It's one of the best destroyers, I'll say. I really love health to be on this ship. I got decent amount of torpedoes. I have speed really high. But I just want to try out something. I want to play with this ugly thing. I just want to see how good I can do with the warship. And all I have to say is the Enterprise earned its name. Okay, so what would a really good player do against a really bad ship? Sometimes when I'm playing with a good ship, I just screw up or I get like really overpowered. A game I almost 1v3'd someone. It was me as the older aircraft carrier, not the Enterprise, the other one, against 4 ships. One cruiser, 2 battleships, and an aircraft carrier. It sank a battleship and I sank the cruiser. When I was about to sink the other battleship, let's just say the other aircraft carrier already set me on a flood, and I had like say 30 more seconds to use back my repair tool while the flood is like a minute or so. So I was waiting, but then it sent like 5 torpedoes at me. One of them hit me at the stern, then like it took down my health to like 1,000 to 2,000. I know I wouldn't have survived, but anyways, another torpedo still hit me and made me sink. This is the worst ship that I have. Let's see how good I can do. It's gonna be mostly silent. Probably should use explosive shells. Sorry about my voice. I probably should use explosive shells. I forgot it has torpedoes. My Brooklyn is a shredder. It started raining down fire. Sorry if you can't hear me, just like slowly talking. Hold on, let me see to aim. Come on. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm building a bedrock map. A bedrock on bedwar map. Me and Sujo will be playing of it. Oh my god, what? Is that a aircraft carrier? That's probably an aircraft carrier. What is it? Bubble Dew. Yeah, it's the aircraft carrier. The Jejunio, that's the aircraft carrier that I was in like giant problem with. Like, oopsie. Oh no. So like these are mainly like shotguns, but the problem with getting close to your enemy is that they just kill because they have such little health. I'm pretty slow for a destroyer. saying that I'm 35 knots. So let's see if we're gonna actually get a kill. Our team is winning because we have I don't know, maybe because the enemy team is just a bit. Speaking of winning, that guy's almost dead, so we'll not be winning. Well, not be winning, but we will lose another ship. That's what I should say. I already opened my epic container and I got $5 million. I was hoping I got like a midway or like the Masashi, since it's like really powerful. Very overpowered. I think I should just like slip past Sushi and then like get to Justin. So let me just get a speed upgrade or boost. There's monies. Is that who said? I'm not gonna pronounce anything. In fact, I couldn't even pronounce the word Draconis. I used to say Dragonitis. I'm pretty good at reading, but not pronouncing. Okay, this is a problem. Aha, I at least got some of fire. Oh no, collision. It's not really too bad. I need to slip around to these aircraft carriers so I can torpedo them. Since the only chance of survival they have is their secondary battery when I'm close. But I have my torpedoes, my secondary battery, and these babies that are very weak. I'm surprised I'm doing really well. I can't believe I actually survived. Maybe because I didn't engage anyone. I'll just be silent. Oh, there goes a guy. It's me and Angelina against these two, minus those aircraft carriers in the background. Oh no! No, yes, give me the kill, Oh my god! Give me the... Oh, sprinkles. For God's sake. I could have got the kill. Because I still got a set on fire. Why is guys decently far? I also just love admiring the beauty of the ships. But World of Warships has way more detail. But this game actually does have a decent amount of detail into it. He's chunking off. Oh no, give me the kill. Wise guy. I think he's some wise guy against me. Okay, never mind. Then my bolt on hit you. My shells. My 4 shells. Oh my god, I do such little damage. Oh my god. I'm just laughing at this ship. No. Where's the torpedoes? Hot turn. Slam the bow into it. Of course, the one that hits me sets me to flood. He looks like he's going straight. I might have to like... Where should I fire? I should fire the set probably there. Hopefully I don't sink to the flood. Never mind. Well, that thing sucks. Did 800 damage per hit. Which may sound like a lot, but my Brooklyn does probably like 5,000 per hit. Saying that how it's a cruiser and my main battery's maxed out. So it could compare. Just health is the problem. And I've improved an aircraft carrier-ing. I used to suck at them. Then with a bit of practice on the okay, I don't know how to pronounce Junio or whatever. I started to do pretty well with it. Then as I got the Enterprise, I became way better. Still love looking at the beauty of the ships, especially with the sun on the horizon. we have a Congo and they have two South Dakotas. So it's a Congo and a Fuso and a Dunkirk versus a South Dakota and a Des Moines. Something like that. Okay, Congo, bean, nubs. Congo, bean boy. Okay, let's skip forward. Come on, fire your shells. Oh no, that's the aircraft carrier thing. Oh no, that's just a little tiny Melvin. What, Bismarck? No, that's a South Dakota. Sprinkled. Okay, Mojo Jojo. Oh, that's making me remember of Powerpuff Girls. Fire your shells. They might hurt me, but they're nothing compared to my shells. It's like none of them hit. You know, fall back, fall back, fall back. Let they be the cannon for all. I have power. I wanted the guys with the more health to be the cannon for, so I can just like rinse in the background. Or like that. Yeah, most of those gonna hit him right. Nah, he's not like long way. It looks like another Brooklyn. That is another Brooklyn. That's either Congo or Fuso. Probably the Fuso. Yep, 5,000 damage and only like a few bolts hit him. I need him to turn like long ways, so then like all of my bolts can hit him. Oh really? Oh really? Such a bot. We'll go forward. How can you hit me over this? Oh no way, I think I can hit them back. No, I can't. Sprinkles. You look like a destroyer, my friend. I can't get to you. Oh, seal kill, seal kill, seal kill. Seal kill on Melvin. Melvin boy, Melvin boy. No, my kill that I was gonna steal. Yep, Mojo Jojo's arm almost dead. Which one is he? Oh, he's the one at the back. Rain down fire. Phew. There aren't any aircraft carriers, so interceptors are not that useful. They look cool though. I just gotta deal with this speed. Nubus. Nubus is a Fuso, which didn't take any damage. I need to get into action with all my guns, except the second battery. Yes, I'm almost in fire mode. Just need to like get off that mountain there. South Dakota, ready to be showered? Cause you stink. Oh! You just serious. Yo, serious. Come on, at least one of the shells should hit him. That does minor damage. Ugh. I think I shouldn't be turning around by myself. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn around with these guys, and when they turn around, I'm gonna do them because I can't deal with them by myself. I'll skip forward to when I reach in about 3, 2, 1, 0. I got into a fight with these guys, but I didn't want to record yet. So I'm gonna make like, ouch. I'm gonna like turn hard to port. Then I'm gonna make one hard to starboard. If you understand what I mean. Hearten, 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 hearten. This is perfect if I could have hit any of them. Why was it? I'm using armor piercing if you play this game or World of Warships. I just use this for my Brooklyn because it does more damage. Whereas the explosive shells might start fire, but it doesn't do as much damage. Hearten, hearten. Exit, please. Okay, there we go. If they have interceptors, I have good interceptors. As in the best I could get. Look how cool they look down there. Sprinkles, huh? Think you need to die. Well, I'm gonna leave you be. Or I should steal the kill. That's what I'm gonna do. Because I'm not gonna get anything from this if I don't get this kill. Ready, how much damage am I gonna do? Ready, guys? Rain down fire, rain down fire. Yep. That's just an example for how much damage I do. Sunk him. Or these guys are more healthy. As in more health, not like stronger. Well, stronger as well. Why these guys just ran fire me alone? Wait, where did those come from? Where did those come from? Sorry, Nevis. That's what your name actually is. Why are you running from me? There's a guy right in front of you with less health. Why are you still raining fire on me? What's out, Dakota? I can't go higher. Like, we're now just gonna X spots, and while we're both in the middle, we're gonna have a full-out war. Match is taking long. We only have 6 minutes left. $13,000. Probably ran out fire on him since he's a cruiser. I think he has less health. Yeah, look how much damage I just did to him. Now I'm gonna sink. I'm gonna sink before I can shoot another shell, probably. But I'm not sink without a fight. Now full on, full steam ahead. I'm using so much resources just for this. Oh my god, I'm not going into combat again. Okay, never mind. No! The legendary ship finally sinks. Well, I'm waiting. Okay, the legendary ship is finally sinking. What was I supposed to do? They're both raining fire on me. Well, that is probably going to do it. But I still want to play with the Enterprise task. Don't mind if I do. Hey, wait a minute. I want my chest. Well, my container. Next, I'm going to like save up all my plutonium to then buy 100 of these. Okay, guys, look at the epic. Out of literally everything, all these ships that I could have get, I didn't even get a ship. I still might got $5 million, but I'd prefer to get like the Yamato or the Mustang. But that might do it. Hey, I said might. Time to go to Enterprise. gonna hang right by the border. They're shooting at me. Really? Ouch, how can you hit me from so far? I'm literally at the border. Wow. Okay, then. Lying on bed. Feel very uncomfortable. I'm just gonna stop by the border. Just gonna make like a hard turn so it didn't go out a bit. You know what I should have been? If you go like too far on the border, you start like taking damage over time, like DPS. Okay. Beach bum. Happy Meal and Booger. And Scoot. I should try and sink. Oh no, that's coming from me. That's coming from me. Oh no, it's coming from Boo Boo. I should go for there. Frenzy. Should I go for Frenzy? I think it's gonna hit Frenzy. Our turn. Okay, that's the Hornet. They're both raining fire on her. I need to like try and... Oh no, that's coming from me, is it? No, it's coming from this. Should I like fire around here? Oh no. Frenzy's probably gonna sink. Sooner or later. No, they're all raining fire on the Hornet. No! That's my only other Hornet. Aircraft carrier friend. Oh my god, look at the firepower. From every direction. Almost. And there she goes. And now that's coming straight from me. Full speed ahead. Go, 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 go. How much damage did they do? What? Did it do so much damage? Run, please. I mean, sail, please. Sail, 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 sail. You're so cool. Sail, 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 sail. Well, the Enterprise didn't earn its name in this battle. Definitely. Usually whenever I'm in spectator mode, there's aircraft carrier, so I just feel like I am the plane and I just take off. Carrying torpedoes. The sinking of the USS Enterprise. Well, anyways, there are still aircraft carriers. Where are they? They're over here. Which one do I want? The Enterprise or the Achaea? Yeah, definitely the Enterprise. Oh, this looks like more like... Oh, you know why this looks better? This isn't damaged or sunk. And... No. Oh no, that guy's gonna sink. Say bye-bye to this guy. Don't worry, it was that blue torpedo. Okay, and now one friendly thing. And I drop torpedoes here, and it hits. And I go back to restock. And there it goes. And I get 0 everything. I wasn't in the mood for that game.